All right, Mary purchases 3 theater tickets with an average of $8. So let's figure that out. Let's let X be the, how do I say that? Sum price of 3 tickets. So I know that the sum price of those 3 tickets, that's how much she spent on the 3 tickets, and divided by 3 will give me the average, and they tell me the average is 8. But what does she do? She goes off and she buys another ticket. So take the sum of the first 3 plus that 4th ticket she buy costs her $16, and now she's got 4 tickets, and we're trying to figure out what is the average for all 4. So I'm trying to figure out what that is. Well, the problem is I need to know what X is, and I know what X is. X will be 24. I multiplied both sides by 3 to solve for X. So now plug in 24 for X. That's 24 plus 16 over 4, and that's 10, and that's 40 over 4. So that's going to give me an average of $10, and that's the right price, our answer.